Pedersoli premium match-grade barrels, born to win. The manufacture of the premium match-grade barrels, a strong point of Davide Pedersoli's production, follows a careful and long process, much more stringent than the other similar products currently on the market. The quality of Davide Pedersoli's production is proven by the ballistic results, the shooting records and the medals won in international competition, and by the experience of shooters worldwide. Pedersoli's target shooting barrels are made from high carbon chrome molybdenum alloy steel bar. During production, the steel undergoes special processing to improve its ballistic stability and performance. The barrel drilling is performed on specialized deep hole drilling machine when the barrel rotates while the stationary tool, known as straight flute drill, moves forward while working. The tool is fed with specialized cooling oil, which not emulsified and the fluid flow also remove the swarf. With this machine, it is possible to drill barrels up to 1,200 mm of length. The drilling barrel is then turned between centers. Its diameter will finish close to the final dimension if it is a round barrel. The octagon barrel will have a larger sectional dimension, as for the barrels with the octagon to round profile. Then the barrel is threaded and chamfered. The barrel undergoes rough turning for the complete octagonal profile barrels. The CNC lathe machine the thread at the breech barrel's end. The next process is reaming. At this stage, the nominal caliber is not yet defined. Any possible raw trace left by the reamer are removed by the lapping machine. A first raw lapping is followed by a second smoothing lapping, using a finer grain lap to produce a smooth surface with a constant bore diameter throughout the barrel's length. By a special process, its bore is tapered, with much appreciated by the shooter, by 1/100 of millimeter, about 20 mm, long performing as like choke at the muzzle. Any possible deformation caused by the previous process are eliminated with the first milling process by the barrel master. The broaching of the rifling must be considered the most important work to have a barrel that ensures ballistic results when finished. Depending on the barrel's length and groove depth, there are 2 or 3 passages of the tool, each with a larger dimension until that desired groove depth is achieved. Each broach is equipped with 3 cutters to ensure the best chip cutting performance in use. Thanks to the long experience at Pedersoli, each tool has been developed to suit the barrel to the rifle's intended use. After rifling, a precision tool works the groove to remove any roughness caused by the broach. This operation is defined as button work, and it is also applied to the lens for the whole bore diameter length to remove any possible burrs and to burnish and harden the inside surface. One of the major working of the barrel is to shape the octagonal section. The octagonal shape of the Sharps rifles, for instance, is made with a special machine that ensures the perfect linearity of the tool's action. Any tension or distortion occurring in the steel due to the variation in dimension is automatically compensated by the machine. If profiling a muzzle-loading octagonal barrel, its breech plug is fitted and profiled together with the barrel. Any tool marks on the outside of the barrel are eliminated by polishing. For a barrel with octagonal section, 4 tools are working simultaneously following a straight profile. For round barrels are 3 tools placed at 120 degrees polishing by rotating motion. The muzzle loading barrel will then progress with the breech plug fitting. while breech-loading barrel will be screwed by the frame. Particular importance is given to the correct tightening of the barrel to the frame. It must be firm to make one body of two components to avoid any future barrel vibration. Finally, there is then the milling work to make the slots for dovetail for a tightening device or for the tenders of extractor slots. After the second profiling to eliminate possible small deformation caused by the mechanical works, there is a final optic control of the rifling through a micro camera with 70 power magnification. The professionalism employed by Davide Pedersoli to produce target cans enables the company to be considered as much the SKU's leader at international level. One of the secrets that have led to a great number of successes is the premium match grade barrels. Only with high quality material and the most advanced mechanical work, it is possible to make the best possible product. The shooters in the world who shoot with Pedersoli's gun can be sure they own a gun born to win.